I'm Jo Clifton and I'm here at Jigsaw4u for a games morning. We've got Lego, we've got puzzles, we've got board games, we've got Hungry Hippo, we've got everything. Connect 4, I'm off.
So,
yeah.
Mushroom.
And is it Mr. and Mrs. Mushroom? Who is it?
Mr. Mushroom.
Mr. Mushroom.
Hello. Mr. Tomato.
Yeah?
Mrs. Lemons.
Mrs. Lemon.
Mr. Pickle.
Mr. Pickle. Hello, Mrs. Lemon. Hello, Mr. Pickle. A blueberry pie. Oh my gosh, that looks so tasty. Diving board in the house. Of course we have. Diving board for the unicorn in the house. Help us, help us, help us. It's really hard. Good move. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. We've got a strategy. I can't get that on. Bum, bum, bum. Go on, go on. You better. You bet. Oh! It's our winning dance. Winning championship dance. Winning championship dance. Return, return. Rematch. Woo! Wait, there's one more. Ready? Ready? I'm going to put it in.
Who won?
I think you won with Mr. Green, didn't you?
Hey, well done.
Give it 5. Boom.
What was your favourite thing about today?
Well, my favourite part was that it was just really funny the whole time. Thank you, Joe!
I love you all. You were so fantastic. I had such an amazing day, and thank you for being the loudest audience in the world. It was fantastic. The whole cast says thank you.